Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Brown sugar is sugar that has been processed to remove all of the molasses content to make it into white sugar. Both sugars have a molasses flavor that has notes of butterscotch or caramel, but turbinado sugar has less molasses, so it is milder than that of brown sugar.
Take our lead.
Demerara sugar, another minimally refined raw cane sugar that's usually used to sweeten beverages. The crystals are larger and lighter in color than turbinado sugar, which makes demerara a good candidate for sprinkling on baked goods. 1 February 2015.
Take our lead.
Turbinado sugar is a less processed option than white sugar that retains small amounts of molasses. However, it does not contribute significant nutritional value and is rather expensive. Though it can be a flavorful ingredient, sweetener, or topping, it's best used in moderation, like all types of sugar. 8 January 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Here are 4 natural sweeteners that are truly healthy. Stevia. Share on Pinterest. Stevia is a very popular low-calorie sweetener. Erythritol. Erythritol is another low-calorie sweetener. Xylitol. Xylitol is a sugar alcohol with a sweetness similar to sugar. Yacon syrup. Yacon syrup is another unique sweetener. 4th of June 2020.
Take our lead.
5. Raw sugars. Summery raw sugars like demerara or turbinado can be substituted for brown sugar in equal proportions. Still, because raw sugar crystals are very coarse, they don't always mix into batters and doughs as uniformly as brown sugar would. 29 March 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Turbinado sugar differs from more common sugars because it comes from the first pressing of sugar cane and therefore retains more of the plant's flavor and natural molasses. These crystals are coarser, darker, and more well-rounded in flavor than granulated or brown sugar because they're less processed. 13 April 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.